Necesitas un lápiz de color, el papel, or el cuaderno. You'll need a pencil, a coloured pencil, or coloured pencils, paper, and an exercise book. Hola clase tres. Firstly, I'd just like to say a huge well done to everybody who completed their Spanish work last week. I was absolutely blown away by the vocabulary that I saw. Hearing you pronounce the words, the days of the week, it was absolutely brilliant. So I'm hoping that this week is going to be absolutely fantastic too. Today we're going to carry on looking at los días de la semana, or days of the week, which obviously we learned the vocabulary for last week. Today we're going to be looking at putting it into sentences and using that vocabulary to be able to speak in Spanish sentences as well. Obviously that does mean that I told you a little bit of a lie last week, because I did say we were going to look at months of the year today. However, I know that you're feeling really confident with the days of the week, so we're going to look at actually putting them into sentences today. So you'll all be pleased to know that we're going to start our session today with the Días de la Semana song that you learnt last week. So obviously, same again, please leave it a few seconds, it will come on, and feel free to join in. Remember that pronunciation is key.
Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo.
Muy bien, estupendo. Your singing was brilliant again. Okay, so we're going to have a recap of the vocabulary that we learned, or that you learnt last week in Spanish. Now you'll notice it's slightly different this week, because rather than me showing you what the Spanish word is, it's covered up. So each time I show you the word or the English word, you need to tell me what the day is in Spanish. So for example, for Monday you would say, muy bien, es lunes, 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 muy bien. Tuesday, sí, es martes, martes. Wednesday, remember the pronunciation. Sí, es miércoles, miércoles. Muy bien. Thursday es jueves, jueves, jueves. Fantástico. Y Friday es viernes, viernes, viernes. Muy bien. Remember the pronunciation for Saturday. Is verdad or falso? Is true or false? Sí, es sábado, sábado. Muy bien. Y finalmente, Sunday. Sí, es domingo, domingo. Muy bien. Bueno, okay, so I'm going to set you a speed challenge now, and you can do this in a number of ways. You can do it spoken, you can do it written, it's completely up to you. Basically, on the screen in front of you, you have got a sentence, and it says, on Thursday, I go to the swimming pool. Underneath it, in blue, there are lots of Spanish words that put together make that sentence, and you'll know from previous there's a few clues in there as well as to what goes particularly at the start and at the end of the sentence as well. What you've got to do is spoken, as I say, or written, you need to put that sentence together for it to make sense. I'll give you a few seconds, but if you want to pause the video now whilst you're thinking about it, that's fine. Muy bien, if you are correcto, if you are correct. En jueves voy a la piscina. En jueves voy a la piscina. Muy bien, and great pronunciation. On Thursday, I go to the swimming pool. Bueno, for this time, I'm going to give you a sentence. It may well be in Spanish or it could be in English. You've got to translate it to the other language. So the first one es en español, is in Spanish. Listen carefully. Escucha. En lunes voy a la biblioteca. Now to give you a clue, biblioteca is a library. How does that translate? Muy bien. En lunes voy a la biblioteca is on Monday I go to the library. Muy bien. Okay, the next one. On Tuesday I go to the school. Now school is la escuela, so have a go at translating that into Spanish. On Tuesday I go to the school. Muy bien. En martes voy a la escuela. En martes voy a la escuela. Muy bien. Bueno, uno más, one more. On Friday, I go to the shop. Now, shop is la tienda. On Friday, I go to the shop. Muy bien. En viernes voy a la tienda. En viernes voy a la tienda. Muy bien. Okay, so for your task today, I would like you to have a go at some writing in Spanish. Now, it might be that you're writing in Spanish or that you're writing in English. But either way, on your screen now, there are 7 sentences, 1 sentence for each day of the week. If the sentence is written in Spanish, then you need to write the sentence in English. And if the sentence is written in English, then you need to write it in Spanish. Now, obviously, you know the days of the week. You know the sentences that we've put together in the last few minutes, and I've listed some of the vocabulary that you might need on the right-hand side of the screen. So do please make sure that you use that to help make sure your sentences are really accurate. I look forward to seeing some of your uploads, some of your photographs of your sentences on Seesaw, and I look forward to seeing if they are correct. Next time when we come back, we're going to have a look at months of the year. So we'll look at the vocabulary again before putting those months of the year into sentences. I hope that you've again enjoyed today. I look forward to seeing some of your work on Seesaw. Adios.